Got real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no wig on the dance floor. She had 2, 3 drinks.
What is good, loves? I am back with another wig review with UNICE. So if you're interested in videos such as this, don't forget to click that subscribe button. That way you're notified whenever I post the hottest new videos. Now let's get into the details of this hair. They give you everything you need with press-on nails, wig caps, and an elastic band, including your wig. They even added lace tape and your adjustable band to hook onto your wig. So the wig that I'm reviewing in this video is the Balayage Gluless wig, and this is their Body Wave 7x5 pre-cut lace, and it comes with bleach knots, and it's more of like their balayage black and blonde highlighted put on and go type of wig. The wig already comes pre-plucked and styled, so you really don't have to do much to her at all. And just look how realistic that scalp looks. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna get this wig on, see how she looks. I already have the adjustable band hooked onto the wig, and oh yeah, I also got this wig in 24 inches, and she is 150% density there, FYI. I'll be back with my final thoughts and commentary on the segment once I get this wig styled. If you are interested in the wig that I am wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below.
She don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor. Yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top.
habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a lady tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. Did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool rap. Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell sleeping on the mattress. I felt like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Bad bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. Getting this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already. Spend some clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a lady tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool rap. Shit, no shoes overseas, they were pan leather. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best ever. Blue pair t-shirt, sleeve button leather. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't got a bend down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend a dime, copping Gucci sweat.
So here's the finished look, and I am very pleased with this hair. I really love the balayage highlights in this wig, and the curls in the wig looks really good. Not only that, but the curls held up for a while. I feel like this hair could be a lot more fuller, even though the hair is only 150% density. I just feel like it could be at least a good 180. Since I did receive my wig from Amazon, shipping was fast. I only had medium to no shedding in the wig, and I love the fact that the wig came already done. I didn't have to do anything but add layers and more curls. The wig already came pre-bleached, plucked, styled, colored, but I would definitely recommend this wig. I think this wig is super gorgeous, and I would give this wig an 8 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.
New cool, I'm a space cadet. Metro bought 2 potatoes. Boom. Easy dripping, got these nigga wet. He on the Illuminati way. New cool, I'm a space